So now let's quickly talk about how to trade on BYBIT. Each time I drop a trade in my Telegram group, you're going to see something like a market order and a limit order. And your question is, what's the difference between market order and limit order, and how does it really work? So now let's go to our BYBIT account. Now, don't forget, the first thing you have to do on your BYBIT before you can start trading is to fund your BYBIT account. As you can see, my BYBIT account is already funded. In my funding account, I have some funds in the funding account, and you can see this is the unified trading account. Anytime you want to trade, you have to transfer this fund back to the trading account. You have to send this from here to this place before you can trade. So this is the transfer button here, and also you can also find the transfer button when you come down to this part. Also, you can see that part. You can also find the transfer button there. So now your question mainly now is that there are kinds of trading. This is a spot trading here, and this is a future trading. Now that trading I just showed you in my Telegram group, this particular kind of trading is called futures trading. So let me explain the difference between spot trading and futures trading. Now this is spot trading here, this is futures trading. So the next thing you can do is that now I'm currently on spot trading. This is futures. This is now futures trading. You can see they very much look alike, spot trading and futures trading. Now let me quickly tell you about spot trading. In spot trading, you are buying a specific coin for it to rise in the future. But in futures trading, whether the coin rises, you can make profit. Whether the coin falls, you can make profit. So whether it goes up or it goes down, you can actually make profit. But in spot trading, you only make profit if the coin goes up. For example, you can check the chart of CAT currently. If you are doing spot trading, if you buy CAT in this place and CAT goes up to this place, that is when you are going to make profit from here. Also, if you are doing futures trading and you are checking futures trading, if you predict that the CAT is going to go down, you can actually make profit in futures trading. If you predict that it's going to go up and it goes up, you can also make profit in futures trading. But in spot trading, you can only make profit when the thing or when the coin goes up. Now I'm going to give you an example. This is trade here. I'm going to buy some amount of CAT. Now this is the limit part here, and this I'm going to quickly change this place into market. So if you click on it, and this is the market part here. So I'm going to buy some amount of CAT. You can click here to change. You can change CAT, change in USDT, but currently I'm going to use USDT. Let's say I'm buying $10 worth of CAT. So I'm buying $10 worth of CAT. So if you click on buy now, immediately it's going to buy at that market price. But currently there are no funds here. I have to transfer the fund from the funding account to this unified trading account. So I'm going to click on transfer, and this is from funding. Have you seen, from funding to unified trading account? You can also click this part here to exchange it. If you click this part here, you can also change it that from unified trading to funding back if you want to transfer. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to send the USDT I have here. You can see I'll click on max. So then I'm going to transfer it. Now the fund is now in unified trading account. As you can see here, it's already showing here. So I'll click on buy, then I'll buy. So can you see now I've successfully purchased CAT here now. So if you come to that unified trading, you're going to see that I have some amount of CAT. As you can see here, can you see now, this is CAT here. So this is the CAT, this is the worth in dollars. So I can also send that CAT to this funding account. As you understand, just click on transfer, then choose the CAT here, then you change this place from unified trading to funding account. So but as you can see here, I have CAT here. So this is called spot trading. When you buy that coin and it's already, you are saving it for the future, maybe like for 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Then when it's finally increased and you have enough profit that you wish, then you can finally sell. You can buy different kind of coin on spot trading. Can you see I'm still on spot trading? So you can also buy, you can click here to change to buy, let's say Dodge, for example. You are buying $50 worth of Dodge, for example, $50 worth of Dodge. Then you click on buy Dodge. Then you come back to this part here. You're going to still see it here. Can you see it's already purchased? So then you come here, you have seen Dodge, see Dodge here. I've already purchased the Dodge. Can you see now? So you can now leave it and wait for it to rise in the future. Then you can now sell and be on profit. Also, you can sell back also. I can sell. This is how to sell. Can you see this is the amount of Dodge I currently have? Then I can click like this. Then you can also choose it in USD, so you can know the dollar worth as you are selling. As you can see. So if I click on, so now I click on sell. Can you see? So I'm already selling. Have you seen it now? You will see that Okay, let's say cart, for example. So pick up on cart, go back to cart. This is the cart here. So then I can also sweep this. Can you see that it's reduced a bit? So those are they take some charges, you understand? So now if I click on sell also, I can also sell the cart back, and my money will be back into my balance, as you can see. So my balance is already back. Do you understand that? So there are some few drop that are remaining here, so you can still try and reswap it, and then you can sell everything. So as you can see, so that is spot trading that I just explained now. When you buy and hold for future purpose, that is spot trading. Now let's quickly explain futures trading. Now click to futures trading. Have you seen futures trading now? So examples of futures trading is when we come to the group. As you can see here, I'm dropping futures trading signal in the group. So currently we can see this is a signal here which is showing market order and limit order. On my next video, I'm going to explain the meaning of market order and limit order. So let's quickly take this trade, for example, dent USDT. So then this is the futures trading chart here. So then you can see it's on market. I'll put it on market. You can see because it's on market order, as you can see. Then we'll come back here. We go to dent, which is DNT, dent USDT, as you can see. So you can see I'm following the trade. Market, buy long, then dent. So now I'm going to buy long. So because I've already chosen dent. As you remember, you can see my total balance. So now let me choose dent in USDT. So let's say I'm buying long. This is buy long here, or buy, as you can see. So some amount. So let's say I'm buying $10 worth. So so I'm currently on futures trading now. So then I'm going to choose my take profit and my stop loss. This is where I'm going to choose TP. T means take, P means profit, YSL, S means sell, L means loss. So that's take profit and sell loss. So now I'm going to choose take profit and sell loss. So as you can see here, you can choose it in percentage, or you can choose it in the last, or anyhow. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to check. Can you see take profit is 0.0010879, 0.0010879, as you can see. So that means it will take profit at 85%. Can you see the amount of profit that will be made? So the more balance you use to trade, remember I'm using just $10 to trade, so this is the profit I'm going to make. So but in case the trade went or goes wrong, so you have to set your sell loss so that you don't lose all your balance. 0.00090 0.00017, as you can see. So if the trade goes to loss, I'm going to lose just 0.9. Have you seen that now? So then you can easily place your trade. You can easily place your trade. Have you seen it now? So everything is set, as you can see. Take profit, sell loss, everything is set according to the trade. So you can also use this one, but I would advise you, if you're a beginner, you can just use 10x. If you are much expert, you can use any amount of cross margin that you use or that you wish to use. You understand? So now the next thing is that I'm going to buy long. So then I'm going to click the buy long. You can see everything. You can check, cross check again. You can cross check again. So then you can now confirm. So now the trade has started immediately. So this is called market trade. Have you seen that market? So it has already started trading. So this is where you're going to be seeing your profits and your loss. You can see it here. So you can also click this dot here, this part here. So you can see you'll be seeing the amounts. Can you see, to show your name and everything about your trade? You can share your trade just like you can click here to save. So now let's see. Let's watch how this trade go in the next few minutes. So let's see. So we're still looking at it. Let's see how this trade goes. So as you can see, the trade has already started moving. As you can see, if you click here now, you see the amount of profits made, 1.37% made. Have you seen it now? So you can always, once you are satisfied with the amount of profit you have made, you can easily close your trade. How do you close your trade? just click on this close buy here. For example, let's say you have already made 10% profit or maybe 100% profit, or the amount of profit you wish. So you can easily click on this close buy. Once you click on close buy, once you click on confirm, this trade is going to close immediately. But you can also come to this limit to set how many percent you want to close. You understand? So when you put the amount, you say. So I will explain this also in another video about this limit close or market close, as you can see here. So now, as you can see, the trade is still moving. As you can see, it is still moving. So in this one also, you can easily, once you click on the short, let's say you predict that the market is going to go down. You can see the chart here. You predict that the market is going to go down, and then that's when you're going to click on the sell short. Then the trade will also start here. Then you start seeing if you're making profits or you're making loss. I hope now you have understand the meaning or the difference between the spot trade and the futures trade. You can see how the futures trade works, and you can also see how the spot trade works in this place. In the spot trade, you buy and hold for the future, while in the future trade, you start trading immediately. You start making profits immediately. As you trade, your trade start running immediately. So you can also reset the take profit and stop loss if you wish. You can reset it. So that is the simple explanation about trading on futures. In case you have visited my channel for the first time, my name is FinanceTV, and as you can see, I have been uploading different videos on this channel, and a lot of people have been watching and making money through the videos I upload on my channel. So right now, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification beside the subscribe button so as for you to be notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. Make sure you join my WhatsApp channel and my Telegram channel. I'm going to be adding it to the description of every video. So you have also seen comments from people who have really watched my video and make money through my video or solve their problem using my video which I uploaded on my YouTube channel. Also, please, after watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. So don't forget, I'm going to drop my channel in the description below so as for you to join my channel and so that you can see the daily signal I'm dropping in my channel, so as for you to make some money for yourself. As you can see, look at the trade again. Now you can see it's already 2.0%. Can you see the trade is going, it's moving little by little. You can also see the profit you are making in dollars. You understand? This is the place you are going to see the profit you are making. So I'm currently making $0.02 on this trade. Don't forget, these are also information about the entry and the current price and everything. And don't forget, I said you can also come here to close the trade. Once you close the trade will automatically stop. And once the trade stop, then your money will be back into your balance. You can see that there's a little increase here because I'm already trading and the money is going a bit higher. You understand? So that is just it.